Today's video is going to be very interesting. Hey, hello guys, welcome to another episode of Roneyginate. I'm Anindya. So guys, today I'll create holographic bat signal. Even before I just made a video on bat signal, I give it on the I button, so click and watch. So watch the full video, please don't skip any portion. So let's start the video. So first I need to create a source of light. For that I use LED bulbs here. So let's set it up properly. In the meantime, I have made this Batman logo. So now I will install the light, Batman logo and movement defender. Since I am going to make a hologram today, so I have to remember that the image should be floating in the air so that it looks like the image is in 3D space. So I will create a smoke screen to represent the whole thing that will block the light, but it itself is transparent but not matchable. The smoke screen is ready, so now I will turn off the light. So let's see what happens. So you can see the Batman logo is clearly visible. Wow, this is cool. So now I will touch it. Oh wow, this is crazy, awesome, nice. So long we have been see how I create and displayed the hologram of bat signal. One thing I must say here is that since I made the whole thing by using cheap materials, the hologram is become very beautiful compared to that. So if you like the video, give it a like, comment below if you have anything to say, share the video as much as possible, and you will see a logo like this on the bottom right of the video. So tap on the logo and subscribe my channel Roneyginate. It's free, and also hit the bell icon for getting proper notification. You also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. So all the links are given in the description box, so click on these links and visit my Facebook page, Facebook personal account and Instagram account. See you on the next video with another interesting topic. So tata.